Hi， 姐姐又返嚟啦。
Hello Becca， 記住撳個鐘先睇到新嘅 video 啊。
Today I'm gonna teach you how to make this normal looking picture to turn it into very good picture by adding the sun. To see the silver glasses, you have to go hiking during mid-October to late November. We actually started at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. It is actually a little bit too late, so we didn't reach 爛頭營. We only managed to get to 跳板石, so 爛頭營maybe next time. The slope is very steep. Each stair step are very high. Actually, it's not difficult to hide the mountain. It's just very tiring. To take a good picture, you have to find a place surrounded by all those silver glasses. Stand in the middle, do a good smile, and then catch up. As for the 跳板石, I found the rock are very sharp to hold on, but you should bring a better glove. 因為冇廢. We left around 6. But it's already so dark we could barely see. So please go hike as early as possible. As a professional NITS, today we are going to talk about followers. 姐姐 is not qualified to teach you how to gain more followers. 很明显我就只会说干话. We are not gonna discuss the cliches examples.
For example, post think constantly 2 to 3 times a week lah. Keep your feed consistent lah. Know your theme lah. Combine different theme to make you stand out lah. For example, if you're a food blogger, but you use food to do makeup, then you are special. To know your audience lah, you know your audience gender. If you're exposing a lot of skins and showing your body curve, you are more likely to have more male followers than female followers lah. In order to entertain your audience, just post more picture lah. See their online time and then post it before the peak hour lah. We are not gonna talk about the things that you already know.
Today we're gonna discuss the shortcuts and the bugs. The most typical one is the hashtag one, like for like, follow for follow, to attract followers. The problem of this method, people only gonna follow you for a short period of time. They will quietly, slowly, secretly unfollow you. All they want is their followers number. There are also some people, they're following 7,000 something people, they have 10k followers. And one day, they suddenly stop following all these people. They will still keep 10k followers. Or it may drop to 9k or 8k. But still, they keep certain amount of followers. This kind of follower is almost like a trading.
You follow me, I follow you. You unfollow me, I unfollow you. Unfollow you.
The second method, usually seen on those company have a little bit money. This kind of company will usually approach you by using DM. Really love your feed. Would you like to be our product specialist or product representative? You only need to pay for the shipment. You have to follow us. Post a post or a story about this product. So I am thinking they are not selling product to earn money. They are shipping product to make money. In the meantime, you also help them to do promotion. Wow, this is a great method. The third shortcut will be buying followers. You see in different platforms, they have 華人粉, 外國人粉. Your follower, it will increase rapidly within a short period of time. They will add 300 followers within 24 hours or 48 hours. They will give away free likes, so you can pick a few posts to boost the post like. The only advice that I give is that try to buy Asian followers. It's gonna be very embarrassing if people go through your followers and realize there are a bunch of Middle East men following you with weird name. They have 0 posts or they only have a few posts. Follower will be 100 something, but they are following 7,000 people. It's very obvious. All these accounts are used for sale. The other problem is that your view count does not match the followers that you have. Theoretically, the turnover rate should be 10%. So which means if you have 1,000 followers, the view count should be around 100 something. But usually if you have valid followers, the view count should be reaching 200 to 300. My advice is try to post multiple videos in one post, so there will be only like number but no view count number。有某部分嘅 celebrities 咧，其實係有買 followers 嘅，呢個係佢哋嘅商業決定嚟嘅。係有啲人就會覺得啊，呢個商鋪好多人 follow 緊喎，咁其實就可以安心啲去購買佢哋嘅 product。Instagram 咧係會想你留喺呢個地方耐啲，咁如果你嘅 post 係多人睇、多人 like， 佢會 expose 你呢個 post 俾更加多嘅人睇到。買 follow 呢樣嘢咧，對一啲需要嘅人嚟講咧，只不過係一個方法去增加佢哋嘅 viewers。在 Instagram 官方的角度來看，這件事情其實抓到的機會率不是很高。你有 post， 然後你有 like 人家的東西，然後你只是 follow 特別多的人，而且你進行的這個東西也是 under the table， 他們也不知道，他們也沒辦法說你違法。最終呢個 account 如果做嘅 post 不盡如人意，唔夠吸引，即係無論幾多 followers 佢哋買咧，都唔會做得好好嘅。但係如果你係一個本身好有價值嘅一個 account， 你用呢一種方法令到越嚟越多嘅人睇到你，商業角度嚟講其實係冇啱定錯嘅，淨係得 method 同埋technique 嘅啫，咁所以只不過係其中嘅一種方法。So let's focus on the picture. The first thing we need to do is to put the picture into Photoshop. 首先新增一個漸層圖層。如果你見過夕陽嘅相咧，都係中間白色，周圍黃色，然後橙色、紅色嘅咁樣一個狀態。咁而家我哋要做嘅咧，就係將呢個漸層變到佢好似一個太陽咁樣。咁一撳呢條巴，位置輸入5 ，double click 個 marker 就會跳個色板出嚟噶啦。輸入 FDE15D 去製造一種黃色，然後喺位置15度製造橙色，輸入 FCAE5D 喺位置57製造一種紅色，撳一撳個箭嘴，輸入 FF7A5D。刪除位置100嘅嗰個白色，將漸層嘅模式轉做放射性，咁呢個太陽就出咗嚟啦。我哋將呢個太陽移上去相片最上嘅位置，將縮放調到238。呢個太陽圖層嘅不透明度 set 到72，然後我哋閂一閂個眼仔，將原本相入邊嘅嗰啲雜草處理下先。一如以往，我哋用修補工具修補我哋唔中意嘅位置。用污點修復不擦工具去擦走呢根草，然後我哋 back up 呢一層太陽圖層 ，in case 一陣出事嘅話，都可以用翻撳橡皮擦工具，流量同不透明度都 set 低，然後我哋就可以擦走人物表面上嘅黃色光啦。大家而家就見到假夕陽同埋冇假夕陽嘅相啦。我哋將呢張相 import 入去 Lightroom， 較低陰影黑色，較高亮部白色，增加少少曝光度，增加少少對比，清晰度、鮮豔度、飽和度都提高。顏色嘅飽和度方面，我哋將所有冷色調，例如係綠色、水綠色、藍色，全部 set 低。明度方面，將所有紅色調，譬如紅色、橙色、黃色、紫色、洋紅色，全部 set 高。最後我哋校一校微調，較高少少曝光度，咁呢一張夕陽相就 P 咗出嚟啦。好啦，咁我哋下次再見咯喎 ，bye。To make this okay la picture, to turn it into very good picture.
We have different family backgrounds. We have different perspective. When you post your sadness, I simply don't want my ego to take control of my life. I'm not relying on it to make money. I want to play my own rules. I don't want to play their rules. I know the method. I know the way to make more followers. But the thing is, it might not worth it.